Guys, so welcome to another video, and this will be a continuation of the beginner session. So I'm going to teach you from scratch. If you are totally new to the forex market, if you watch this series, you should be able to get started and start a smooth journey into your forex trading. So the first session, I talked about the tools you need to trade. So the four tools I had: electronic device, a PC, a laptop, all the devices, iPad, phone, whatever you have. You need access to the internet. You need access to the internet, and you also need knowledge, right? You can't trade without the right skill. Like you need to know what strategy you are trading, when is the right time to buy. You need the right knowledge to get started with trading. And the fourth thing, which is the most important thing you need, not the most the most important thing you need is the knowledge. But another thing that is mostly neglected in trading is notebook. When you start, you need a notebook. It can be a digital notebook or a physical notebook, but keeping both is okay. Having something you can write on with your pen and make some sketches in is very, very important. So today we are going to continue with that, and one of the important things that you need, which I didn't talk about the other day, it's trading view. So trading view is very important. So what is trading view? Trading view is a software you need to get started to do your analysis. So you need trading view. Trade. Um, I'm trying to keep these videos very short so that it doesn't get boring. So I'll try my best. Trading trading view. So you need trading view. So you need trading view is a tool that you need to do your analysis. So currently that's the trading view platform I'm on now, and there is a video to look at how to get started with trading view. So check in the channel how to use trading view, and you'll find a video where I take you through the step by step how to use the trading view and all the various tools, right? So watch out that video in the channel. And another tool that you need is MT4, MT5. So MT4, MT5 is MetaTrader. That is a software where you go and trade. You click buy and sell on this software. If you know what you are doing and you want to take a trade, buy and sell, you use MetaTrader. But now there are so many other platforms, right? Um, Match Trader, DX Trader, and some brokers already have their web trader, where instead of using MetaTrader 4 or 5, you go to the web and there is a specific link you can log into an account and trade. But MT4, MT5 has been the oldest, and they are still one of the most easy to use, I would say. And you have so much information on them because they've been around the longest, right? There's also C Trader, which is a little advanced, and you can check that out later on. But when you're getting started, I think MT4, MT5 is very user friendly for you to get started with. And the third thing that you need to get started with trading, which you don't necessarily need this to get started with trading, because you need to first of all get started, and when you know what you are doing, you can get a broker. So what is a broker? So if you want to buy and sell currencies, that is forex trading, you cannot do it just in your room, like just sitting in your room and then go onto the internet and buy and sell currencies. You need a broker. So the broker is like the company that connects you to the financial market. So there are so many brokers that you can choose from. And when you're choosing from the broker, you need to do your research. So I'll do a video that will show you how to select the right broker. There is not really any best broker, right? There are so many options for you to choose from. And in selecting a broker, you need to consider things like, is the broker allowed in your country? If you're in Ghana, you are in Nigeria, you are in the US, you need to make sure the broker is allowed in your country. You need to make sure, are they regulated? Because if they are not regulated, they can run away with your money. And if they are not, will not get punished because they are not regulated, of course. And you also need to make sure that they have the right payment method. So I'm sure most people in Ghana are very conversant and familiar with mobile money, and they prefer to use mobile money. So if you're somebody that wants to use mobile money, then you want to use a broker that supports the use of mobile money, right? if you don't care about mobile money and you want to use crypto, or just for some reasons you just want to use crypto, then you can go for a broker that allows crypto payments. If you want to use your card, so all these are things that you need to look at. What are the requirements? What requirements do you need to sign up with a broker? Mostly you need address verification and identity verification. I'll do a video on broker, how to select the right broker, and all the documentation that you need to help you get started. And another thing that you need is you need access, or you need to learn how to use certain softwares, which is, so number 4, we have softwares like my FX book. So my FX book is like a statistics website, which if you connect your MetaTrader or whatever platform you are using, which allows my FX book, I think it is CTrader and MT4, MT5, it would kind of give you the statistics of your trade, like the currencies you've been trading, the percentages you've made on your trades, and it gives you a very good statistics. And it's also a way to show your track record. So if you connect your MT4, MT5, it shows statistics of how your trading is going, and you can present this statistic to someone, especially when you are trading and you get to the level where you think you've mastered a skill and you want to take it to the next level, and you are looking for larger capital. You can show your statistics to an investor and be like, see, I've been trading for the past 2 years and this is my statistics. I've been able to grow an account from this, making this amount of percentage. So tools like my FX book can do that for you, right? And one other thing that I would add before we end this video would be my Forex factory. So number 5 is going to be my Forex factory. Oh no, not my Forex, because I mentioned my Forex fund. Now I'm talking about my Forex factory. It's just Forex factory. Factory. So factory. So myfxbook.com, my forexfactory.com. I'll put the links to these softwares in the bio. In the description, and then you can check it out and then get signed up onto these softwares or websites, right? So my Forex Factory is a website to check news events. So if you are new, you might not know what a news event is. So we are trading Forex, we are trading currencies, and we have this graph on my screen now. Let me show you. This is a Forex chart right now. You might not know. Some of you might already seen this before. This is a Forex chart. So you can draw a line, and this is on TradingView, and this is what you use TradingView for. You can draw a line and decide whether this is going to go up or down depending on the kind of strategy you are trading, right? If you are doing this, you are doing what we call technical analysis. But this is not the only way for you to decide whether to take a buy or sell. You can also take a buy or sell by looking at the fundamental analysis. So we are trading currencies, which are economies of countries. So the central banks, things that are happening in the country, interest rates decision, unemployment, employment rates, and inflation, all those things affect the currency. So Forex Factory is a website that gives you all the news that is happening around the currency that you are trading. And knowing those information is good because you can now check and know, okay, there is going to be a news event on the US dollar. So I need to take notes of this news, because when those news are coming out, the market move very fast. And especially if you're a beginner, those are the things you need to watch out for, because if you are not trading the right way, or trading around those times, especially if you are not experienced, is a little tricky. So Forex Factory is what you need for that. So this is the second part of the tools you need, and the next video I would start getting deeper into the things you would start learning to get started with trading, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, comment if you have any questions, and of course subscribe if you are not subscribed, and See you in the next video.